In this video, I'm going to show you a MICROCRAFT CW-KEYER. MICROCRAFT Corporation was a company out of Wisconsin that produced and sold kits for you to assemble, similar to Heathkit. This MICROCRAFT kit is a MORSE-A-KEYER. This CW key machine is designed to write and transmit CW Morse code by audio and by ketone. The KEYER machine came fully equipped to practice and learn Morse code with a built-in audio speaker, but it also has the ability to transmit CW code by connecting to a transceiver. The KEYER machine is simple to operate. Volume controls the audio speaker output. Speed controls the words per minute. The buffer full light indicates that the RAM memory chip is full and you're typing too fast. MICROCRAFT produced and sold two types of kits for the MORSE-A-KEYER. The first basic kit was called the Essential Kit and only contained the components to assemble the main PC board. The other kit was called the Complete Kit and contained all the components to assemble the PC board. It also contained all the components for the off-board parts and the important ASCII keyboard from George Risk Industries, model 753. It also contained the important metal housing and the power supply. George Risk Industries still manufactures and sells high-quality industrial keyboards, keypads, and keycaps. The design is a durable terminal-style keyboard. The keyboard came complete. All other parts in the kit had to be assembled. This included all components on the PC board. On the back of the machine, there's an on and off switch, a 5-volt DC input, and a KEYER output phono jack, which connects to the transceiver. Also, an additional spare phono jack. The machine requires a 5-volt DC power supply with at least 1 amp and uses a 2.5mm mono audio plug. The KEYER cable must match the proper wire configuration according to your transceiver model on one end. And on the other end, a standard MEL phono jack. MICROCRAFT also made decoder kits. MORSE-A-WORD 1, and MORSE-A-WORD 2. And the more popular CodeStar, which has the ability to decode 6 different modes. For Morse code operation, CodeStar has 2 mode positions. Mode M1 has a range of 3 to 33 words per minute and should be used for copy in heavy noise or QRM situations. It is initially set for 10 words per minute and will auto-track speed changes within its range, usually within 1 or 2 characters. Mode 2 has a wider speed range of 3 to 70 words per minute and is ideal for high-speed CW. Its initial speed is set for 18 words per minute, and it will normally auto-track speed changes in its range within a few characters. The CodeStar also has the ability to decode RTTY, baud 60, baud 67, and baud 100. It also has a mode for ASCII. The multi-mode decoder was a smaller, more modern kit and was the last model produced by MICROCRAFT in the early 1990s. I wasn't able to find any additional information on this model. All MICROCRAFT products are very rare. Please comment below if you own a MICROCRAFT or have used one before, or if you have any additional information to add. Well, that's all I have for these cool vintage CW machines for now. If you like vintage ham radios, computers and software, please subscribe. In a future video, I'll be operating a fully functional 1980s Tandy TRS-80 color computer with vintage CW RTT software on a matching era Yaesu FT902DM hybrid radio.